An office with a currency counting machine on a desk. Hey, have you seen this new compact multi-scan currency counter? No. What's so special about it? Well, this machine can do it all. It's equipped with advanced technology to detect fake currency instantly. Currency counting machine. Beeping. Fake currency detected. Note the LCD screen instantly turns red, thereby alerting of a dubious currency. Other than that, it has UV, MG, IR, 3D color and size detection inbuilt. Easy firmware upgradation option. Capable of detecting counts of both old and new currencies. Furthermore, it is quite capable of making batches of say 25 or whatever you please to keep aside, thereby saving you time to count it manually. See how it immediately identified the counterfeit notes. That's impressive. But how fast can it count? Lightning fast. Presses a button. Watch. It took just seconds to count an entire stack. Amazing. But what about saving money? This machine is designed for efficiency. By detecting fake currency and minimizing errors, it helps save significant amounts of money in the long run. That's a huge advantage. But what about time? Time saving is its specialty. No more hours wasted manually counting and verifying bills. This multi-scan currency counter simplifies the process, giving us more time for other important tasks. It sounds like a game changer. Where can we get one? We can order it online on Amazon or check with our trusted office supply store. Contact on +91 982 7416. Mail us at multiscan@gmail.com. For more details and pricing. Let's make our work easier and more efficient with this compact multi-scan currency counter.